lot of here at home are watching your cream while you're performing abroad. What do you miss at home?
Ano po, bukod po sa ulam. Ano po, syempre po yung, iba po kasi perform po. Talagang, yun talaga ma-feel mo na sobrang, ma-feel ko po na sobrang proud talaga. Nakaka-proud po yung feeling na, yun makikita po yung reaction po nila. So, yun po yung lagi namimiss ko.
And talking about ulam, ano yung favorite ulam mo?
Ano po, paksiw po.
Paksiw.
So, sinigang na hipon po, tsaka po adobo po.
So kapag nasa States ka, ano yun, in-order mo, sasabihin mo sa mga organizers ng event, pwede ba magpahanda ng paksiw para sa akin?
At sinigang?
Kasama po yun sa rider ko po, kailangan may Filipino po.
Alam mo yun, that's nice actually. At
Bakit
least
siya makakanta no? Walang pagkain.
Magwawala ako. Pero hindi naman.
Aba, dumidiba na ba?
Hindi ko, never.
Pero Charisse, I read somewhere in Yahoo na you see yourself in law. Tama ba yun?
Opo. Kasi po, for me po, syempre, ayoko naman na like magstay as an artist forever. Syempre, kahit pa paano, meron pa rin po akong gustong marating sa life ko, which is yun nga, maging lawyer and makatapos ng pag-aaral ko.
That's true. That's really nice. And so what do you plan to do? What's next for Charisse in the next few years? Of course, you're doing Glee. What else is in store? Mag-acting ka na ba? Or ano?
Actually po, so after po ng Glee, David Foster and Friends tour po, Asian tour, which is kasama po yung Philippines. October 23 po sa Araneta Coliseum. And after po nun, actually, interesado na po ako sa movies. And so, yung pong mga agents ko po sa States po, William Morris, so hinahanap na po nila ako like ng mga movies po sa States. And gusto ko pong role ay horror.
Horror talaga? Ano, ikaw yung bida o ikaw yung mumu?
Ako po yung mumu. Gusto ko pa talaga yun, nananakot.
And alam mo, Charisse, I follow you on Twitter and alam ko nag-exchange tweet kayo ni David Archuleta. What's up with David Archuleta ba?
Meron bang love team in the making dyan?
Ano ba?
Ay, wala pong love team. Super, friends na po kami and sobrang bait ng tao and masarap siya kasama kasi talagang mahihain siya at first pero pag nakausap niyo na siya talagang lahat na talagang magkukwento talaga siya. Sobrang sarap kasama po.
And sino pa yung magko-collaborate ba kayo ni David Archuleta or sino pa ba yung mga dream collaborations mo?
Well, wala pa naman po napag-uusapang collaboration with David Archuleta pero po, syempre ang dream ko po syempre, alam ko pong medyo mahirap maabot, pero gusto ko po syempre Lady Gaga or Beyonce.
That's true. All right, we have Charisse Pempengo on the phone. And you know, a lot of our listeners are Bieber fans. And alam ko nag-guest ka sa Oprah together with Justin Bieber. So, ano yung feeling nun? We also have your video, yung baby na kinanta mo.
Ano po, mabait po si Justin. Actually, siya po yung unang nag-approach po talaga sa akin. Talagang medyo nanigis ako ng konti. Kasi sabi niya talagang, "Hi, I'm Justin Bieber."
Kinilig ka? Okay, wait. Let's go back a little bit to Glee kasi marami kaming fans and listeners na fans of Glee and they wanted to know, when you play your role in the upcoming season, are you going to be playing a Filipino exchange student or just, or they're not gonna specify?
Actually, as much as possible talaga sinasabi ko po talaga sa kanila, sana, like, talagang mai-point nila na Filipino exchange student. Siyempre, madami namang Filipino talaga na sumusuporta sa show na
Totoo yan.
So, I'm hoping na talagang gawin po nila yun. Pero yun nga po sinabi ko po.
You know what, Charisse, you're very young, very talented, and we have a lot of young listeners also. So, do you have any, message or advice? Alam ko madami ka na. I mean, you're used to this, but what would you say to the young Filipinos out there?
Magbibigay ko lang po talagang advice. I think talagang kailangan nature lang po talaga. And you really have to work hard para bago makuha yung goal niyo po talaga. And you just have to wait patiently, don't rush everything.
That's true.
And of course, always be humble.
Ayan.
All right, thank you, Charisse. You know, I know you have a concert. You're actually performing in Manila
Tonight.
Yes po.
Tonight.
Actually po, yes, 3 nights po siya. And yung una po, mamayang gabi po sa Resorts World Manila, 8 p.m. po. And,
And then tomorrow is at the Venice, diba? Tama ba?
Piazza.
Yeah.
Ayun.
Sa McKinley Hill.
Sinusulat And sa Eastwood po. Ayun po, 15, 16, 17 po.
So there, if you guys want to catch Cherry, she's gonna be at Resorts World, tapos at McKinley Hill, and then at Eastwood Mall tonight, tomorrow night, and then on the 17th, diba?
Yes po.
Okay.
Yes po. And of course, don't forget po, please, sa lahat ng mga tao na hindi pa po nakako ng album ko, self-entitled Charisse. Grab a copy now, and it's out worldwide.
Yes, please support OPM.
All right, thank you very much, Charisse. Thank you
po.
so
having on the show.
much. Thank you.
Thank you po.
All right, good luck later.
Thank you po.
All right, bye. Wow. That was nice. I like
She's
that.
such a sweet girl.
Very humble, too.
Yes.
But hey, you know, I have the remix of